Hey guys, it's Miss Jack and this is my little girl.
My name's Rosie.
And how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
4 years old, and Rosie is going to help me today show you the different steps to teaching your child how to write their name. So the first important thing to know when you're teaching your child how to write their name is make sure you're saying the letters as you write them, so your child will start to learn letter identification. The first step we're going to do is we're going to have Rosie trace her name. I like using a highlighter, but you can use any pen or pencil or marker you have. And I'm going to write R O S I E. And now Rosie's going to trace it. R O S I E. After you've had your child trace their name a few times, you can do it without tracing by doing hand over hand help. What that is Rosie's going to put her hand down to write her name, and I've got my hand on top of her hand, and we're going to go R O S I E. Now that Rosie has had some tracing and hand over hand help, we're going to have her just copy. So when I tell Rosie to write her name, I'm going to write it first. R O S I E. And now Rosie, you're going to copy it right here. R O S I E. Good work. So you notice that Rosie's writing her name really big. That's something that's developmentally appropriate at this age. So you don't have to worry about how big or small your child is writing their name at this point. So the second to last step to learning to write your name is we're going to have Rosie write her name, and we're just going to give her verbal help. So she's not copying and she's not tracing. Go ahead, Rosie, start with your R. O S I E. Nice work. So you're going to notice that she put her letters in a circular fashion and they look kind of scattered. Again, that is something that's developmentally appropriate at this age. It's something we expect to see, and it's something that your child will eventually grow out of. It's not a concern at this point. Now the last step to having your child learn how to write their name is at this point you should be able to just say, "Hey Rosie, can you write your name for me?" So that's how you teach your child to write their name step by step. Now I need to let you know that this is a long process. It's not going to happen in just a few minutes like it did in the video. Rosie has been working on writing her name for several months, and I know that her teachers at school have worked really hard with her on it as well. When you're working at home with your child, that really helps us as teachers to be able to focus on other skills at school. So we're the ones that will be working on getting them to write their name in a straight line instead of in a circle, and that their letters are a certain size so that they fit on a worksheet like they would have to in kindergarten. So I hope this is a helpful video, and if you guys have any questions or have suggestions for the next skills videos you would like us to do, go ahead and set a comment below, or you can talk to us at school. We'll see you later.
See ya.